In a city, there was an ice cream parlor, and a small little kid was having his favorite ice cream when he saw that a car was coming towards him. As the car started to come towards him, he saw that it was a luxurious sports car and it halted in front of the ice cream parlor. The kid's eye grew big. He was surprised to see an amazing car halted in front of him, and that was probably one of the best cars that he has seen till now. The car owner saw that the kid was admiring his car, so he gave a small smile towards him and he went inside to get his own favorite ice cream. As he was about to leave, he saw that kid was still admiring his beautiful and amazing car. So he came nearby the kid and he asked, "You like the car?" The kid nodded, and then the car owner said, "If you want, I can give you a small ride." The kid was again surprised. He was very happy because one of his dreams were actually coming true, because he wanted to experience that car. So immediately he said yes, and they both went inside the car for a small drive. As they were driving in a luxurious car, the kid was admiring every minute details inside the car. The kid asked the car owner, "This car must be very expensive." The car owner smiled, looked at him and said, "Yes. And you know what? It was a gift given to me by my friend on my birthday." Again, the kid's eye grew big. He was surprised to hear this detail. The car owner laughed and he said, "You must be thinking that I must also have such amazing and rich friends, won't you?" Immediately, that kid shook his head. He said, "No, sir. I want to be that guy who will give this expensive car to his friends." Do you understand the difference? Do you understand the attitude? It really doesn't matter if you're a kid, if you're a teenager, if you're an adult, if you're a senior citizen. If you have the attitude, if you have the right attitude towards your life, you can change your life completely. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why attitude is important, why attitude is everything. So before starting this video, I want you to give me a big thumbs up, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions, you can follow me here on Instagram, DM me, and I will surely try my level best to answer you back. And watch this video till the end. And if you like it, do give me a comment. This will help my video in growing. Thank you so much. See, you got to understand this. There's only one disability in our life, and that is to have a bad attitude. Our attitude influences all our actions. So if you have the right attitude towards life, you can change your consequences. You can change the scenario of your own life. It is the only right attitude which can give you all the good results. All the handshakes and fake smiles and all the cajoling are not going to get you far if you don't have the right attitude towards your life. It has been said that opportunity knocks at every door. If we utilize it, it leads our life towards success. Otherwise, we will just complain about a random noise. You got to understand one thing, that every problem that we are facing right now in our life is an opportunity to change our life completely towards the success that is waiting for you at the end. All we have to do is we have to learn how to conquer our life's problem. The better we are at problem solving, the more successful we are in our life. So all the people who have positive mindsets, they have the right attitude towards their life. They see all the problems in their life as an opportunity, as a stepping stone towards success. But if you look at the life of all the negative people, one roadblock, one problem in their life is like their end of the world. They will quit immediately. They don't hustle, they don't struggle, and all they do is curse that their life is miserable, and now nothing can happen that can change the course of their life. According to the Stanford Research Institute study, it has been shown that the path towards success comprises of 88% of our attitude and 12% of our education. This doesn't imply that education don't mean in our life. See, a formal education is also very important in our life, because at the end of the day, we are living in a society. But you got to understand one thing. In our education system, we are getting taught of all the theoretical things. That's why it is comprises of 12% of our life. And 88% of our life is comprises of attitude, because this is all the practical things that we have to experience in the coming years. So that's why having a positive attitude towards life is very important. Once you have arrived at the right attitude, it has then become much easier for all the things to fall into places. One of the beautiful quotes by John Mitchell, and it says, "Our attitude towards life determines our life attitude towards us." So in order to succeed, you got to have a right attitude towards your life. So here are 5 pointers which I will tell you that will help you out in determining why having the right attitude in your life is very important. Number 1, roadblocks. When you have the right attitude towards your life, it really doesn't matter how many roadblocks are there in front of you, how many bumps you have encountered on your journey, because you have the right attitude towards your life. And with the right attitude, you can face all these struggles, all these problems in your life. Number 2, success and failure. Like I said before, the right attitude will determine success, but the bad attitude, the negative attitude, can change your life completely and take your life towards the path of negativity. So your life totally depends upon your attitude. So if you want to live your life successfully, then you got to have the right attitude towards your life. It really doesn't matter if things are going wrong right now. With the right attitude, you can shift the consequences of your life from negativity to the positivity, from failures to success. Number 3, growth mindset. See, when you have the right attitude towards your life, then your mind is going to think towards success, towards the target, towards your achievement, and all the negativity will eventually fade away. So that's why it is very important to have a tunnel vision towards your life, towards your goals, towards your dreams, and that can be achieved by having a set mindset, a set attitude towards your life. So that's why attitude is everything in your life. Number 4, confidence. When you have the right attitude, it will give you confidence no matter what. It really doesn't matter if you're a shy person, if you have lack of confidence, if you're an introvert. If you have the right attitude towards your life, you will feel confident. You will regain that confidence that was lacking in your life. And last but not the least, the 5th point is leader. With the right attitude, you will become a leader in your life. People will admire you because of the changes they will see in your life. You will become a natural leader, and people want to be just like you because you have a perfect mindset towards your life, towards your aim, towards your goal. So I hope that after watching this video, you understand how important it is to have a perfect mindset and a perfect attitude towards your life that will change the consequences of your life completely. So if you like this video, do give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is Vaibhav Nigam. I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.